Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you where your Aeroblade is in the 2024 Kia Niro EV. I have in front of me here a Wave in steel gray. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, I'm going to show you guys where your Aeroblade is. And you may have known that it was there, but I'm just letting you know, just in case you didn't. But this whole C-pillar here, this section is called your Aeroblade. And the reasoning for that is because, and I'll try to get a good view here, you can see right through it. This is an active air dam. So this was put in here to help with your aerodynamics and reduce drag and all that technical stuff, but I'm just letting you know it's there because if you happen to be driving and you live in an area where there's in your climate has snow, or you have autumn and the leaves are dropping and you get that clogged up with any leaves or snow, you just want to make sure that when you wash the car, you just blow right through that area just to try and help keep it clear, because Kia put that there for a reason, and you're not going to notice any like driving dynamic change or anything if it happens to be clogged up, but I just say it's just a best practice just to make sure you keep that area clear. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys.